Walker. It looks like he's caught him again. Oh yeah, red, white, and blue. God bless America. We're happy to be in Salinas. Keep an eye on those jets as they fly outbound. We've got one more jet. I'm not sure where he's at. He's out in the distance. I think I see him show right. That's Scratch. You know, I kind of call him Hollywood. He's a handsome guy. He's directing quite a few movies out in Canada. And he stays committed to the Patriots as our #5 pilot, helping us inspire